This is one of the nicer, more scenic parts of Sherrills Ford, North Carolina. Just a glimpse. Normally, people like you or me wouldn't be allowed in a neighborhood like this, but today's your lucky day. That one's got Chip and Joanna Gaines written all over it. Little fixer-upper. We cut 3 hours. We cut a good little bit of wood. It's getting too hot out here. Told him I'd come back later when we get the rest. Let's get out of here. How hot is it where you're at? Because it's 100 degrees here. So it was real hot out there on that saw job. We did not finish. I didn't have that kind of time. We worked for about 3 hours. We got a good little bit of lumber milled. So I'm here at the house. I'm dropping the saw off, and I gotta unhook from the truck. If you watched the previous video, which nobody did, so don't feel bad about it. I got this big giant piece of red oak here. So before I take the saw back to the back, I gotta go all the way to the back and get the tractor and come back, load that piece of red oak on the saw it up, then I'll hook the trailer, the sawmill trailer, back up to the tractor. I'll pull the tractor and the sawmill all the way to the back. Probably next week. Probably won't do that this week. Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday, of course. I gotta go back to work Friday, work all weekend. So it's probably gonna be a Monday project. I might hook it up and pull it into the, well, I got the new drum mower sitting there, so won't do that. But anyway, that's gonna be next week. So let me finish getting this set up, and we'll put that, I gotta put a new blade on. I used the same blade I've been using. I didn't change the blade over there. And then we'll get that piece of red oak on here and do that. I gotta go get the tractor from the back. I decided to walk this morning. Just got done messing with the cows. A little brisk walk to the back this morning to get the tractor. It's a beautiful morning, beautiful summer morning. Gonna be a hot one today. This is a pretty big log, so I've hired some help. Ezra cat. Excuse me. I should be wearing a dust mask when I saw. I think I'll start doing that, but Ezra's coming to help. So, all right, get on the tractor and you crank it up, and I'll put the chain on. No, how dare you? You're fired. The straps aren't long enough, so I had to use the straps and to fix the chain. Let's get started. Trying to square it up. I tried to push this end over, and it did come over some, but it also pushed the saw off the stands. I'll have to go get the probably the floor jack it up this front, put those back on, and then it's kind of gonna be hard to recheck, see if everything's level. After that, we'll just scoot everything over and hopefully assume that it is level. So I got the chain on the back end. Here's where I messed up. I left this short log dog in there. Okay, so that log is sitting on top of it, even though it just sticks up like a 1/2 inch. It's enough, like it's not wanting to let it slide. So I'm gonna have to bring the tractor in, pick it up, pull it back that way. It's trying to max my saw out. A couple interesting things. This thing's not sitting exactly level, as you can see. If you look closely, there's a set of angry wasps right there. They're about to be angrier. All right, we'll put the bottle jack under the tongue of the trailer. We jacked it up. I got the blocks situated again. Level says it's still level, so let's cut. I evicted the wasps, and then to keep this thing from rolling, I put a block of wood and a wedge in there to kind of, I didn't want it to do some crazy settling or something while I was cutting. So I've got the blade, I don't even know what you call it, retracted as far as it can, and it was just barely making it, and that's 17 inches wide cut. So we are going to have to, I guess, turn this thing 9 degrees. How wide is that? Narrowest point it is a little bit over 8 inches. And I'm not sure how to do that. I think what I'm gonna try to do is, I don't know what I'm gonna try to do. Well, we've reached the portion of our program where we're gonna have to flip this thing up on its side. I'm hoping now, I got 2 massive slabs. I got one slab, it's probably, I don't know, 14 inches on this end, probably 11 down there. These are about 18 inches, big slabs. But I think now, I'm getting to the point where I need to turn this thing 90 degrees. We'll make boards like that. I think I've got enough weight on it where I can get the cant hook on. I got to put my log stops here on this side, and we'll see what we can do. All right, I managed to wrestle this thing up here. I videotaped it, but when I went all the way up with the cant hook there, my gut was hanging out, and we're not that close yet where I feel comfortable sharing that with you. so Matt, you know, time will tell, time will prove how our relationship develops from here. But I mean, it could stand a little bit more. There's a gap there. I may try to push it a little bit more. But here's my dilemma. So my two foremans come out here, and we have decided that what we're going to do is, it's too wide to get another slab. It's a little bit over 23 inches wide right now. So I've got it up on the side. We're going to trim 1.5 inches or so off of this side. He suggested rolling it again. I don't know if I got it in me to roll it over again, but and then we can lay this side, flat side, down on the bunks, and then maybe try to get another slab or 2 slabs out of it, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. This is the thinnest part right here. It's even thinner. It's 5 inches. So we might get 2 slabs out of it. We'll definitely get another one out of it. So let's do that. Yeah, you could. So that ended up being some very hard sawing. That saw did not like it. They make two kinds of blades on Woodland Mills. I've only used Woodland Mills blades, and these are the softwood blades. But it was a brand new blade, so I ended up with 5 slabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna stack these. I'm leaving the mill here, but I've got all this stuff. I think I'm gonna run the truck back to the mill site, put all this stuff back in the trailer back there, because I don't want to leave it out all weekend. I don't want to handle it multiple times. So we'll do that. Then we'll stack this. We'll stack these slabs, and then we'll put the tractor up. We'll be done. Ain't one thing, it's another. This tire's almost flat. I was going, and I was like, man, seems awful hard to steer. Wasn't this hard with the whole log on there. It's not completely flat. I just put a new tube in here not long ago. We'll get it aired up. We'll get these dropped off. Well, that didn't last long. I got from there to here, and she went boom, psh, real loud, like psh. I'm just trying to get to there. I got a whole bunch of wood on here. I'm in a bad spot, like not a good spot to have to take a tire off. And I gotta go to work tomorrow. I gotta get up at 4:30 in the morning and go to work. It's like 7 o'clock at night. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna go inside and contemplate some life choices. Think about some mistakes I made, what led me to this point in my life, how I got here. Anyway, I'd appreciate it if you'd give this channel a thumbs up, subscribe to the video. I'll see you next time.